Sometimes love appears when you least expect it.
Life feels beautiful today.
I'm sorry!
It's okay.
Why can't I stop thinking about her?
Who was that boy?
Looks like fate wants us to meet.
Maybe.
Can you tell me something about yourself?
If you tell me about yourself first, then.
One day, I'll build a life I'm proud of.
I want a life filled with beautiful memories.
Well, that wasn't the entrance I planned.
Good. It was more memorable.
You talk too much.
Only when I'm around you.
You're embarrassing yourself.
Anything to make you smile. Every sunset seems brighter when you're here.
Maybe it's because I'm looking at it with you.
This feels like a dream.
Then let's stay in it a little longer.
I've never seen him smile this much.
Neither have I.
This could change my life.
But it could change ours, too.
I miss you every day.
Every day feels incomplete without you.
Why didn't you tell me?
Because I didn't know how.
Maybe we need time apart.
I came back.
You never left my heart.
Every road led me to you.
And every tomorrow begins with us.